everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Drunk Elephant birthday gift from Sephora. So in this video I'm going to show you what's all in this birthday gift, as well as a demonstration and a review on these two products. So if you want to see that, keep on watching. So on Sephora, if you're a Beauty Insider VIB or VIB Rouge, you'll be able to choose a birthday gift within your birthday month. You can either choose a gift, or if you're VIB or VIB Rouge, you get 250 points. So this is a free gift that you can pick up in store or online. There's two versions. So we have the Kat Von D Beauty gift as well as the Drunk Elephant gift. And special for January, I believe, there's a Milk Makeup gift as well. But that's for VIB and Rouge only. So in this Drunk Elephant gift, you get a Proteiny Polypeptide Cream, as well as the Bestie No. 9 Jelly Cleanser. So on the back it says, now you have your Bestie and Proteiny too. Reset your skin to a healthy state with pH balanced, unscented cleanser and affirming dose of the Origin Get Shit Done Protein Moisturizer. All you need to take a clean break and reclaim the glow in time for your party. So you can open it up. It says happy birthday to you, cha cha cha, and this cute little package. And right on top here is the cleanser. So how much cleanser you get is 30 millimeters or 1 fluid ounce. I think that's a generous size for a birthday gift. I feel like this is more of a travel size and you would pay maybe like 15 upwards, I don't know, maybe 20 because it's Drunk Elephant for a travel size like this. So this is a fantastic size. So this birthday gift is very generous compared to the other years I have reviewed on my channel. Other years we've gotten like a lipstick that has like hardly any product, but this is a lot of product. And with the Proteiny Polypeptide Cream, this is what it looks like. You get 15 millimeters or 0.5 fluid ounce. This is also a really nice size. I think this is a well-balanced proportion, like not too little cream and not too much cleanser, because you use more cleanser than you do cream every day, and just in my usage. So just for comparison, this is the First Aid Beauty Skin Rescue Deep Cleanser with Red Clay. This is more of a travel size version. This has 2 ounces and this has 1 fluid ounce. So here is the comparison, and you got this guy for free, which is half the size of this one. And I believe this costed me maybe like $16 or a little bit less maybe. So this is a fantastic size. And with the moisturizer here, this one is the Origin's Zero Oil Oil-Free Moisturizer Lotion with Saw Palmetto and Mint. And this is 1.7 fluid ounces or 50 milliliters. And this is 15 or 0.5 fluid ounce. So it is quite a bit lower than this guy here. This one does cost me about $30 some, so this is no travel size. It is kind of small like a travel size, but it doesn't cost as much like a travel size. I don't know. But anyways, I'm just saying this is a good amount of product. So the top few ingredients on the Bestie Jelly Cleanser, it's water, glycerin, coca midopropyl betaine, cocoa glucoside. And it's made in the USA of Brisbane sourced global ingredients. And it says on the bottom here, cantaloupe glycerin. And it says suggested use, squeeze Bestie No. 9 into palm, add water to lather and gently massage over face and neck. Rinse well with warm water and pat dry. It also says that it's unscented and removes all makeup and impurities. I haven't really used it to remove makeup because I don't really do my cleansing that way, but I have used this for, I would say, maybe a week now, and I feel like it doesn't lather up as much as my other cream cleansers. Well, this is jelly or gel based, so that's probably one of the reasons why it doesn't. But it feels really nice and it cleans my skin very nicely. It doesn't dry me out too much, and I feel like it's a really nice cleanser. So the full size of this guy here is $40 and it's 150 milliliters. I don't think I would buy the full size of this one because it's not doing that much for my skin. Like, it takes off makeup or oil, but it doesn't really, you know, add to it like a toner or a moisturizer type of thing. So like I said, I've been using this for a week and I only got it yesterday and I've used it twice now, but I did get a sample when I bought something in December, so I used that for as long as I could. I used those two products together for maybe as long as a week, so I do already have my thoughts and opinions on it. I haven't broken out because of this guy. It really hasn't done anything to my skin that was harmful. It's a really good cleanser. So another neat thing of this guy, it doesn't have a pop-off lid. You twist it and then you squeeze the product onto the top here, and then you can take it off and then you just lock it back down and that's just a nice little feature. And this is just a clear cleanser. It really doesn't have that much scent to it at all, which is fantastic for my skin. I'm really pleased with this guy. I'm glad I have it. So on the back of this moisturizer it says, this breakthrough protein moisturizer combines an unprecedented array of concentration of signal peptides, growth factors, supportive amino acids, and pygmy water lily for visible and immediate improvement in the appearance of skin's tone, texture, and firmness. So its suggested use: apply morning and night to clean dry skin for a vital dose of protein and replenishing moisture the skin needs to retain its youthful appearance. I don't know about the whole youthful thing because I only am 20, but so I can't really say that because I am still really young. But when I was using this, I used it more at night after when I washed my face and done my toner and everything. So it really sunk in overnight and kind of hydrated my skin, and it felt really good that way. Using it during the day did get me really oily, but if you have normal to dry skin, I'm sure you will like this product. Probably if I use this for a whole month and I got back to you or something, if you want me to do that, comment down below. I could probably tell you if I see any visible improvements with my skin or anything like that if I use it every day. Since I've been using it with the sample that I got, I feel like I haven't had enough time to see the visible changes, but I have felt them on my skin. It has like a slight scent. It kind of smells like wheat or something, but really nothing that bothers me whatsoever, and I am sensitive to scents. And this is what it looks like here. It's just a white cream. I think some people with drier skin use like really thick creams. I've never used a really thick cream. I only use like creams that are mattifying and more gel-like. So this is the most hydrating cream I've ever used, possibly. So on Sephora, this guy for the full size is $84. I feel like that's super expensive, but Drunk Elephant is an expensive skincare brand, and it's 50 milliliters, so that is a lot more product than this guy right here. So this is a great way to test out before you go spend $84. And this will last you, I think this would last me at least a good 3 weeks at least, using it every night and not using it twice a day. It probably lasts me more like a month or so. And the jelly cleanser, I think it would last me a month if I used it every day, twice a day. I'm just going to give you a little swatch of what this moisturizer looks like. So that's what the moisturizer looks like. I'll put a little bit on the back of my hand. It feels thinner, but at least on me it feels really hydrating. Maybe for someone who's drier it won't be super hydrating, but it just feels really nice and smooth. It doesn't leave a greasy finish, and it doesn't leave a white cast, at least on me. And then with the jelly cleanser here, I'll just take a little bit. That's what it looks like. It's just clear, and it's a little bit of a thinner formula. It's not super thick at all, and you can see they're lathering up just a little bit there. And it's a little bit sticky, but not creamy. It's definitely more of a jelly type of formula, but it's really nice and smooth. So if you like a thicker cleanser to really take off your makeup, maybe this won't be the one, but this is a nice gentle cleanser for sure. So now I'm going to show you a demo of me using the products right now. So I might be a little bit echoey right now because I am in my bathroom. I just had a shower, as you can tell by my hair. Now I'm going to be using my birthday gift right here. This is the Drunk Elephant set. First I'm going to use is the Bestie No. 9 Jelly Cleanser. So I just wet my face with some water. I unlock the top here. I'll squeeze about a pea-size worth onto the top. I'll lock it again. So I have it on my fingers right there. It's just a clear cleanser. And I'm just going to massage it onto my skin. And it doesn't foam up like my regular cream cleansers, probably because it's a jelly formula, but it feels really nice on the skin. Definitely not an overwhelming scent, but there is one. And then I'm just going to rinse my skin, and then just pat your skin dry. And then I'm going to use a Proteini Polypeptide Cream. I only usually like to use this before I go to bed because it's a little bit of a thicker cream for my oily skin. But I will use it in the daytime just to show you guys how it works. Usually I like more of a mattifying moisturizer that's like more of a gel kind of formula in the daytime, and then more of a hydrating one at night. This would be my hydrating type of moisturizer that I would usually use at night. So I'm just going to take it on my finger, just a little bit at a time. You don't need too much. a little bit of fragrance with this one. I think it's just from the formula. It's not like a perfume per se. And then my skin feels really hydrated, and it kind of has like a matte feel to it at the very end, and not like a greasy, slippery feeling. And that's how I use these two products right here. So that was my review on this birthday gift by Drunk Elephant in Sephora. But just wait, pump the brakes. If you want to stay and check out my haul, I'm going to be doing that like in 3 seconds. But if that's all you want to watch, please subscribe down below and like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. But let's just get on with this haul, shall we? So finally, I picked up the Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb. Pretty much every single one of you probably have this in your collection, but I finally pulled the trigger and I bought it. This is such a gorgeous gloss. It is so smooth on the lips, a little bit tacky just to keep it in place, but it's a gorgeous color even on my fair skin tone. It's really nice rosy nude. Love the formula. And the scent is kind of interesting, honestly. I wasn't really expecting this scent, even though when it came out for the first time, everybody was saying how it's like nostalgic scent. But I feel like it's a little bit fake and drugstore-y, and I wouldn't have expected that from Fenty. But it's nothing bad, it's just a little bit cheap kind of scenting. I also got this Makeup Forever magnetic palette. These are like $2, and this is the extra large size. Comes with a really nice mirror. It's a really nice plastic type of compact, and it has a snap closure, and then you have the magnet inside. It doesn't fill up the whole case, but it's pretty good. It kind of has a little bit of weight to it, to be honest. It's not totally flimsy, and this was $2, at least Canadian. And they have so many other different sizes, but I went for the biggest one, and this is it here. You can probably fit with like regular size single eyeshadows about maybe 8 or 6 in here. This is a super cheap way and a super nice package to put your single eyeshadow somewhere or for travel purposes. Like, this is so nice and compact and really nice and sturdy. For the extra large one, I really like this. It's a great size. It's a little bit smaller than I was expecting, but I think if you want to pick one of these up, I say go for the extra large first and then maybe do one of the smaller ones. Then for Christmas, I was surprised and I got the Colleen lipstick by Colleen Ballinger. She's a YouTuber, if you don't know. This is in the shade Daisy May, and it's one of her 2 lipsticks that she came out with. The other one was for her Miranda character. Here is the lipstick. It's so cute, and then there's her face right there, and I wasn't expecting this at all because I'm like, oh yeah, it's a lipstick. I don't know if I really would wear that color, and I don't know how good the formula is or anything like that, so I skipped on it. But then my sister got it for me for Christmas, and I was so surprised. So this is what the tube looks like. It has a rounded tip on the bullet, and the color is more of a pink rosy shade. Definitely a lot darker on me than it is on her, but it is a really nice color. I would say this is more of a brighter but nude lip, and the formula is creamy. And it's not really matte at all, but it does kind of get matte over time through wearing it, and it's really comfortable on the lips. Today I'm wearing the Ardell Double Up Individual Lashes, and these are super easy to put on. I haven't put on a simpler lash before, and it adds a little bit of length or a little bit of cat-eyedness to my outer edge of my eye, and it's so easy to put them on compared to a full strip lash. And I also got this for Christmas. This is the Charity Pot by Lush. This lotion has saved my dry skin, and this has totally cleared it up. This is like so magical to me, and I only got the small version, but that is totally fine. The scent is you kind of have to get used to it for a little while, but it probably, to everyone else, smells really good. A little bit of vanilla, a little bit of like a, kind of more of a natural scent. I don't know how to really explain this. It's just a really nice cream. It's more of a thicker formula, and it goes on super nicely. You only need the tiniest bit. And in this one, you are helping the Association Project Analog, dedicated to biodiversity conservation in Laos. So that's awesome. My other one was supporting the fight against the oil pipelines. And finally, I just have a few nail polish to show you guys. I'm totally late to this train, but this is Essie Bikini Sotini. This was so much fun to use. I really like the color of this. Essies do chip on me pretty fast, but this color is like a baby blue with some silver/blue sparkles in it. And this was super cute for those snowy, Christmassy nails. And this one is a newer one by China Glaze. This is Good Luxe Charm. More of a sheer formula. It's not a cream or a full-on glitter or anything like that. It's more of a topper effect. But it's like a light blue with a very purple shift to it. Also have China Glaze nail polish in the shade Malibu Boo. I don't know if you'll be able to find this maybe on some websites or anything like that. This is a black hollow, and I believe this was for the Halloween collection. I might have actually already featured this on my channel, but I think I only picked it up in November. But you can't really tell right now from the bottle. It just kind of looks like a black polish with some gray glitters in it. This is not in stark sunlight, but this is a very holographic black polish. The formula was pretty good. I feel like it was kind of a more of a matte finish, but once you top it with a glossy taco, then it's perfectly fine. So yeah, those are a few things I wanted to show you guys today. So with all my other Sephora birthday gifts, I always include a haul at the end just to, you know, share some products I got recently. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe down below. And if you want to check out the other birthday gifts I've reviewed, they will be in the eye over here or at the end card. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.